Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Earning with Rajiv, and thank you very much for stay with me. And guys, I'm making video earning from online from different website and different method, different way. So today I'm gonna show you how you can earning from Timebucks and only for YouTube tax today. And first time I submitted one video in Timebucks. They have a different tax and I completed to showing you. So today I just show you YouTube tax how you can complete. And Timebucks is a really outstanding website and it's a trustable website. You can working with this website, and there have many tasks, there are many works. If you're working in daily 1 or 2 hours, you can earn easily $5. So let's go to complete the YouTube tax here. So here are the many YouTube tax here, especially, and they have too much tax on the watched 1 minute video. If you watch 1 minute video, then you will get 0.001. So here is a one tax. Watch 1 minute video. Just click on the view, then read this instruction, go to this link and watch on the video title Express VPN coupon code, best Express VPN deals 2024 with this thumbnail. Just click here is a thumbnail, then watch 1 minute video, then click on here. Then if you are ready to tax, purchase this value button. So we take another video. So watch 1 minute video, click on it. Here is the same thing, just click on here. This is this thumbnail of the advertiser videos, and watch 1 minute video. Would appreciate if you would like the video too. Just click on here. What will this say? So here is a tax. Here is this thumbnail here. Just click on it. And searching this thumbnail. Here is this thumbnail. Just click on it. I moved this video sound because if this sound is visible here, my video will be copyright. So this advertiser require only screenshot upload as a video of the completion with the browser button below, submit the form. So the advertiser said, when you finish watch 1 minute video, then take a screenshot and send on the advertiser. After send on the advertiser checking this screenshot, then if it's okay, then the advertiser approve your tax. So here is only 23. So don't skip any videos. You watch 1 minute 100%, then you will get paid. So is a 40, 42, 43. Sort of 51, 2, 4, 5. So it's 1 minute finished. Then it's goes on it. Then take an screenshot here, then go to the edit and paste on it. Okay, just save this. After saving it, here is a screenshot. Just go on here, cut it over here, okay, just submit on it. Okay, your form has been successfully submitted for approval. Your pending point has been increased. So my task is complete, and after completing this task, here is my pending earning 0.001. So this YouTube's tax is so easy. Here are many YouTube tasks, and sometimes you get 0.03, 0.05, and that advertiser need to the like, comments, and watch video. And sometimes you will get on the subscribe. If you subscribe her channel, then you will get 0.02. So I think if you can working with this website is daily 1 to 2 hours, you can easily earning $1 or $2. And if you're working with 5 hours in daily, then we will earning $5 to $7. And this website is really trustable and 100% trustable. And I am an advertiser here, so here is my advertiser account, and here is my funds already 5.5 to 5.502, and my fund here. So here is a video today, the Timebucks, how you can complete YouTube tasks from timebucks.com. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching my video.